Today I'm sharing a healthy high protein oats chilla for weight loss, an ideal meal for those with health issues like thyroid, PCOS, diabetes, or for those who simply wants to eat healthy. This oats chilla can be enjoyed as a meal for breakfast, lunch or for dinner. So let's get started with the recipe. To make high protein instant oats chilla, into a bowl I'm adding in 1/3 cup of horse gram, also known as mudira in Malayalam. Into this I'm adding in some water and I'm allowing it to soak for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Now the reason why you need to soak grains and dals is to release the phytic acid content in them. Phytates are nutrient inhibitors which prevents nutrient absorption. So it's always ideal to soak them and then use them. Horse gram is also known as the super pulse of India. It helps to burn fat, protects you against kidney stones and gallbladder stones. It is also less expensive than other dals. It helps to keep you feel fuller and thus it helps in weight loss and fat burning. It is also ideal to include in your diet if you have hormonal issues like thyroid and PCOS. Okay, it's about 45 minutes since the horse gram has been soaking, and along with this I'm going to soak the oats as well. Into another bowl I'm adding in half cup old-fashioned rolled oats. I prefer to use old-fashioned rolled oats because it is less processed and high in fiber. Into this I'm adding in some water and I'm soaking the rolled oats for about 10 to 15 minutes along with the horse gram. While the oats and dal are getting soaked, I'm getting ready the other ingredients. I have finely chopped half of an onion, 1 green chilli, 2 sprigs of curry leaves for that extra iron and folate, 1 medium-sized carrot grated. I'll be using another 2 sprigs of curry leaves, 4 to 5 shallots, a small piece of ginger and 1 green chilli when I'm grinding the dal. Okay, now the horse gram is nicely soaked. So I'm going to rinse it a couple of times and then I'm going to add it onto a strainer. Okay, now the horse gram is washed and rinsed and I've kept it on my strainer. Into my chutney grinder, I'm adding in the horse gram. For those who are new to horse gram, this is one of the most protein-rich lentil found on the planet. It is high in iron, calcium and zinc. In fact, horse gram has the highest calcium content among pulses and hence it is one of the richest vegetarian source of protein. Into this I'm adding in a small piece of ginger. I'm roughly slicing the ginger and adding in. For some extra iron, folate and antioxidants, I'm adding in about 4 to 5 shallots. A small green chilli. If you're using large green chilli, you may need to use only half of it. For some extra iron and folate, I'm adding in 2 sprigs of garden fresh organic curry leaves. Pink Himalayan salt as needed. 1/3 teaspoon turmeric powder. Today I'm using Vigon turmeric which has high curcumin content. 5 to 6 whole black peppercorns. Black pepper helps in better assimilation of turmeric. So when you're using turmeric, make sure you're using at least a fat pinch of black pepper powder. I'm adding in a couple of tablespoons of water and I'm going to grind this to a fine paste. Okay, now the ingredients are nicely ground. So I'm going to keep this aside. 15 minutes later, the oats are nicely soaked. You can see that it is mashing very easily between my fingers and that shows it is perfectly soaked. So I'm going to add this into a strainer and rinse it under running water. Add the strained and rinsed oats into a bowl. Into this I am adding in the ground horse gram. The horse gram will make this oats chilla high protein. Next I'm adding in the grated carrot, finely chopped curry leaves. This is 2 sprigs of curry leaves, 1 finely chopped green chilli and half of an onion finely chopped. Half teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon ajwain. Before adding ajwain, lightly crush and add so that the flavors are released. Ajwain and jeera not only gives an amazing flavor but they also helps with digestion. So try not to skip it. And with my hand I am mixing all this really well. Since the oats are soaked, it will get easily blended along with the rest of the ingredients. Just make sure that it is nicely mixed. For those who have health issues like diabetes, this is a great meal which you can enjoy any time of the day. Again, the best thing about this batter is that you can make ahead this and store in the refrigerator. So this is also an ideal way to meal prep. You may have noticed that I did not add any extra water. The consistency of the batter should be like this. You should be able to spread it. It should neither be too thick nor too thin, but you should be able to spread it. I have already added salt while grinding the horse gram. If you feel you need more salt, you can add in at this stage. To make the chilla, I am heating my cast iron tawa and I have reduced the flame to the lowest, and then I am greasing it with wood pressed gingerly oil, also known as sesame oil, and onto the tawa I am placing a handful of the high protein oats chilla mix. And I'm lightly pressing it out with my fingers. I'm pressing it out with wet fingers. Drizzle in 1 teaspoon wood pressed sesame oil on the sides and on the insides, and cover and allow the chilla to get cooked. 2 minutes later, open the lid, carefully flip it over. Also make sure that you are using a well seasoned cast iron tawa so that the chilla does not get stick to the tawa. Another 2 minutes later, let's flip it over and the oats chilla is nicely cooked. Once done, I am transferring it to a plate. Repeat the same thing with the rest of the batter. Leftover batter can be stored in the refrigerator and it will stay good for a couple of days. You can also use a spoon to spread it out. Lightly wet the spoon and then use it to spread it out. You can enjoy this high protein chilla with any homemade pickle of your choice or any side dish of your choice. And once it has cooled down, this chilla will stay soft, hence it is ideal to carry as a lunchbox meal. Today I am sharing a high protein instant oats dosa recipe, ideal to include in your weight loss journey. This instant high protein oats dosa can be had as a healthy meal for breakfast or for dinner. So let's get started with the recipe. To make high protein instant oats dosa, into a bowl I'm adding in 1 cup of old fashioned rolled oats. I prefer to use old fashioned rolled oats as they are high in fiber and less processed. Half cup tur dal, also known as sambar dal. Half cup chana dal, also known as kadala parippu in Malayalam. Half cup black split urad dal. Instead of black urad dal, you can use plain urad dal. Half cup green moong dal. Add in some water. I'm going to wash and rinse it a couple of times or until the water runs clear. Once rinsed, I added some more water. Into this, I'm adding in 4 to 5 whole Kashmiri chilies. And I'm going to allow it to soak for about 5 to 6 hours. Now, if you're planning to make this as a quick instant breakfast, you can soak this overnight. And if you're planning to make this as a quick instant dinner, you can soak it in the afternoon or in the morning. The idea is to soak it for about 5 to 6 hours at least so that the phytates in the dals and oats are released. Phytates are nutrient inhibitors which prevents nutrient absorption. Longer soaking period is always ideal to release phytic acid content in grains. So if you have noticed having any digestive issues like gas, bloating or indigestion, when you consume dal or oats, do try to soak it a bit longer, so that it will be easy for you to digest. So I'm going to soak it for about 5 to 6 hours. 5 to 6 hours later, the dals and oats are nicely soaked. So I'm going to transfer it to my blender jar. I'm adding in the soaked whole red chilies. Because the red chilies are soaked, it will be easily blended. Adding in the soaked dal and oats. Into this I'm adding in 1.5 cups of water. 1 teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds, half teaspoon hing, also known as kayam or asafoetida. Jeera and asafoetida not only gives an amazing flavor but also helps with digestion. Pink Himalayan salt as needed. For some extra iron and folate, I'm adding in 2 sprigs of curry leaves. This is entirely optional. And now I'm going to blend this into a dosa batter consistency. Pour the blended batter into a bowl. This batter will stay good in the refrigerator for a couple of days. Hence, it is an ideal way to meal prep. You can make instant high protein oats dosa as a breakfast or as a dinner. Heat a cast iron tawa and grease it with wood pressed gingerly oil, also known as sesame oil or til oil. Reduce the flame to the lowest and pour in 1 to 1.5 ladleful of the dosa batter and spread it out as thinly as possible. Drizzle in A2 desi ghee or any wood pressed oil of your choice. And once that side is cooked, carefully flip it over. Remember that I am using a well seasoned cast iron tawa, hence the dosa will not get stick to the tawa. And once that side is done, carefully flip it over and serve the crispy high protein oats dosa with the sambar or chutney of your choice.